Alright, stream, tonight we have my boyfriend. Penguin, you can't put that in, you hear? You're a funny man.
You're a strange man.
No, you're a strange man, doing strange things. I'm not landing there, that's ridiculous, bro. What if I pushed in and showed them the fury? What would you do on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'll go in there with you.
Alright, let me show them the fury. Show you some fury, boy! How you?
Attention. Evil harvesters are online.
Right here. Up here.
Can't see. They're resin.
Great.
Thanks for the help, child.
Here.
You're trying to watch me carry in. Carrying nothing, little dude.
Here I go.
Who's up here? I'm holding them off. Come on.
I need ammo. Hold on. Okay.
Let's chase them. It's 2. 1, 2, count it. Uno, dos. Did you count?
Let's check out that way, friends.
How well did you count? 1 to 10. There I go. There I go. There I go. Nice one. Still dandy.
You don't need me, right? That's what you said.
Target acquired.
I need energy ammo. Sure.
You need me. Hey, bro, tell me if this is weird to say. I told Penguin, if I was a girl, bro, I'd try and, like, wife you up. Like, I'd let you try and wife me up.
Look right here.
Oh, he doesn't like questions. 2 teams, dummy! Get a clip.
One shot. Kill him.
The enemies are shooting at me.
Ooh, clapped on, smacked on, all of the above.
Oh. Get out, get out.
I'm out already.
You have KP, get out.
Can I be honest with you? I was never in, bro. I was watching from a bar, chilling like a villain. Do you get it?
Why are you all the way over there, bucko?
I'm waiting for you. I'm in the ring. Oh, you are too. You want me to come to you?
Yeah, I was playing Edge.
Okay. I fell. Here I come. Should I scan that? Yes or no?
Pero see?
Or maybe. I'll punch it. Solo right here.
Look, solo coming.
Check your map.
Turn it around. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Grappling. I am taking fire.
No, he's won!
Hold on, Xavier. Okay, I see. Be quiet. You look cool. Stop screaming though. Everyone's asleep.
You look so cool. Is Xavier a fly guy?
Teammates pushing this. Come on, come on, come on, come on. They're coming behind you. Coming behind you. Let's kill this. Come on, it's in the back.
What?
Yeah.
What's out here?
Watch it down, watch it down. He's so low.
I'm not going. It's like 3 teams though. Calm down.
Just chill, just chill. Don't go. Chill, chill. Back up.
Recharging shields.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. I love you. Thank you.
Look out, grenade.
Piss off.
Come to me if you need to. Kinda safe. I'm about to
Piss
pull it.
off.
Hmm? Are you serious? Come here, come here, come here. Let's go there, let's go there. Push it, there.
What is this?
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's just fun. There's 2 teams in there or something? Like, let's go run a pubs match.
Pubblers? I haven't played
Yeah.
any pubs this season, bro. You know that? Not a singular pub game. Let's do it! Wow.
Looking for me?
Wow.
Here I am.
Wow. Well, I have my beloved Sentinel. You know what that means. No.
First blood, and it's not us. Wonderful. One minute. The ring isn't far.
This guy's not even playing the game. Look at him.
The ring is in close proximity.
Ooh, he got called out.
Less than 1 minute. Half the squads remain.
There's his mic.
Incoming care package.
It's,
Where'd it go? You lost it?
Yeah.
Care package over there. Care package over there.
I need to like hit a trick shot with the Sentinel. Capiche?
The enemies
Oh, that's
are
not
shooting
cool.
at me. Grenade, watch out.
Where are they?
They're coming. They're close.
Giving my
Right.
You got that.
Repairing my damages.
Enemy field cracked.
I'm gonna get him, swear. Watch. Kablooey.
Reloading. We've killed the last member. Good work, team.
Yeah.
Reloading.
What's in here?
Let's see how many games we can win.
Squeeze
Who's
through.
going for time? I hear him somewhere.
He's close. Oh! Help! Help! You have Phoenix kit?
I don't think. Yeah.
The next ring is far.
One shot.
Reloading. Whole squad down. Now we
Yeah.
giving my shields a recharge.
One of these.
Frag out.
I want to do a trick shot.
Check your map.
Go for where they back up here.
Let's go up here. Too late.
Just pushing them head on. Yeah, grab one. Grab one of those there ones.
No.
Care package being delivered.
Right on me.
Thank ya. Hey. No!
Hey, this heals you as you kill him.
He said hey right back.
It heals yourself.
He said hey a little tougher than me.
The third one heals you when you kill him. Pick it up. It's on the left. On the
No.
Repairing.
I want to use my sense. Don't you see? They're over here.
Forget that.
Beginning countdown. Attention. Loot bins have been restocked.
Frag out.
100!
Using grapple. Max left. I am taking fire for
88! 11! Nice! He batted.
contact with target.
Pushing you. Always.
Death box here.
You're a winner!
Picked an upgrade, friends.
Why didn't you like win faster so I didn't look like a bot?
Only 30 seconds left on the clock. The ring is close.
You should have won a little faster for me, bro. You made me look like a piece of trash.
right here.
I am taking.
Ooh.
Giving my shield.
Go to that one.
No, mister.
Broke that enemy shield.
Damn! Boy, that's so tough.
Wow. Unmiserable, unmiserable.
Attention. Delivering replicator.
Hey.
I've got your ex-girlfriend. Though you're still a girl and still my friend.
That's why I left you. Didn't you know I had a plan? Ah! One. La, la. You have to let me trick shot the last guy. You're gonna get him low. And then I hit the sentinel, okay?
Alright.
Go do it, do it, do it. Pour it on them.
The ring's close. 10 seconds.
Don't shoot him, don't shoot him. One. Yay!
You are the Apex champions.
Yeah, hi.
No way, bro. I have to quit streaming after that, bro.